Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to harness the power of Excelitte. Let's dive into the impressive features that it has to offer. We begin by clicking the free trial sign up button. You'll be prompted to provide your account details. This ensures that you have a unique and secure way to access the Excelitte platform. Once your account details are in place, it's time to explore our subscription plans, tailored just for you. We offer two exciting subscription plans, both of which come with a 7-day free trial, so you can get a taste of the premium features. The Tier 1 plan, perfect for individual users, grants you access to a single user account, the ability to convert, migrate, and encrypt up to 1,000 spreadsheet records, and the encryption of up to 5 files. Looking for something more robust? The Tier 2 plan is for you. With Tier 2, you get account access for up to 5 users, a capacity to convert, migrate, and encrypt up to a whopping 20,000 spreadsheet records, and the ability to encrypt up to 25 files. Once you've selected the plan that best suits your needs, you'll proceed to provide your payment details. Don't worry! You won't be charged until after your 7-day free trial ends, and guess what? You can cancel anytime during the trial period. After completing the sign-up, you'll receive a confirmation email with a link to activate your account. Just click on it, and you're all set. You can log in with your registered username and password credentials. For enhanced security, we utilize 3-factor authentication. Receive authorization requests via email and Okta-Verify. In case you forget your login information, you can reset your password by submitting your email address into the Reset Password form. A reset password link is generated and sent to your email as a notification. This code can then be used to reset your password. With Excelitte, you can instantly convert your spreadsheet data into a web-based software database application. You can access this feature by clicking on the Upload a Spreadsheet button on the side menu. You can convert a spreadsheet with one or many worksheets inside it. Please ensure that the first row of your sheets contains column headers with appropriately formatted data for the consecutive rows below. Once confirmed, simply drag and drop or upload your spreadsheet, and within seconds, your data is transformed. You will be presented with a preview of your converted spreadsheet where you can set a table name, view, edit, delete, or add new data. For each change made in the preview, you can click on the Save Sheet button. After you are finished with the changes, click on the Next Sheet button to submit the newly converted worksheet. If your spreadsheet has multiple worksheets within it, each worksheet is treated as a separate table where you can make any necessary changes and click Next Sheet to submit each one. Your data security is our priority. Once your spreadsheet is uploaded, your data is automatically encrypted with AES-256-bit encryption, which means that your data cannot be hacked, even by a quantum computer. Based on your subscription plan, Tier 1 users can import up to 1,000 rows, while Tier 2 users get an expanded limit of 20,000 rows. You can easily access any of your converted spreadsheets using the Manage Shortcuts feature. Think of it as a direct link to your secure tables. Simply click on a table thumbnail to access the respective table management feature. Once you access a table shortcut, you are presented with most of the functions that were used while uploading your spreadsheet. In addition to modifying your data, you can apply sorting or filtering to any of your columns, generate automated data analysis, capture automated summary reports, or delete your sheet. Bring your information to life with automatic data analysis. When you click on the Analyze My Data button in the table management page, you can generate vibrant pie, bar, line, and scatter graphs with just a few clicks. Please ensure that you select at least one column with numerical data and non-numerical data when generating any of the 4 chart formats. In an instant, Excelitte generates and presents you with a colorful chart visualization of your selected data. Navigating through piles of data can sometimes feel overwhelming. But with the Summary Report feature, making sense of all that information is easier than ever. To get started, simply click on the Summary Report button at the bottom of the table management page. Here, you can tailor your report to your needs. choose between numerical and non-numerical columns from the drop-downs. If you need a more precise view, apply column filters to further fine-tune the data you want to include. Once you've made your selections, just sit back and watch the magic happen. Your summary report is automatically generated in a bright, colorful table format, making your information easy for the eyes and quick to understand. And for those dealing with numbers, we've added a special touch. Every numerical column automatically sums up all its values, and the total is presented neatly at the bottom, eliminating the need for manual calculations. You can rest easy knowing your data is backed up weekly and can be restored in minutes. Each weekly backup is sent to you via email and secured with AES-256-bit encryption. At the top right corner of the Manage Shortcuts page, you can quickly access your 4 most recent backup files at any time. As a master account holder, each spreadsheet or worksheet you upload becomes its own unique table. Furthermore, any data imported by a super user in your account family is also separately organized. Master users can create both super and standard users, while super users can add standard users. Both master and super users can import and manage their data in the form of spreadsheets. On the other hand, standard users can view, but not import or manipulate data. Protect your essential files with the Secure a File feature. Use the side navigation menu to either encrypt or decrypt your files. You can easily drag and drop or select a confidential file which you want to secure. For Tier 1, you can encrypt up to 5 files, and for Tier 2, up to 25 files. After encryption, the file saves directly to your computer, and you are presented with a preview of the document with data now scrambled so that a hacker cannot read it. Each file encrypted gets counted towards your subscription limit. Decryption is just as seamless. Once a file has been decrypted, the file saves directly to your computer, and you are presented with a preview of the original document with data now readable. If you have reached your encryption limit and want to encrypt other files, you can either contact our support team to upgrade your subscription or delete some of your existing encrypted files. To delete your already encrypted files, navigate to the Delete Encrypted Files feature on the side menu. From this page you are presented with the list of files which you have encrypted from Excelitte. Simply click on the Delete button next to the corresponding encrypted file which you want to remove. Once the encrypted file is deleted, you can now encrypt another file from your computer. You can customize your Excelitte experience with the Settings feature. Here, you can configure your 3-factor authentication by following the detailed instructions at the top of the page. You can also enable or disable the feature for Excelitte to send automated encryption file recovery emails and upgrade or downgrade your subscription plan. Excelitte is your 100% guarantee that your data can't be stolen, ransomwared, or successfully hacked. Sign up for a free trial today at login.excelitte.com and experience the future of data management.